Raising Cairns-style chicken fingers with Cairns sauce. Preparation. For the wet batter: 2 cups buttermilk, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika. Prepare the wet batter by whisking together buttermilk, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and smoked paprika. Add the chicken strips to the wet batter and marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight. For the dry batter: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Prepare the dry batter by whisking together flour, cornstarch, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Remove the chicken from the wet batter, allowing excess to drip off. Then coat each strip in the dry batter. Deep fry the coated chicken strips in hot oil until golden brown and cooked through, approximately 8 to 10 minutes. For the Cairns sauce: whisking together 1 cup mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons ketchup, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Serve the crispy chicken fingers with Cairns sauce.